Urgent care centers across our region are swamped. They are full of people coming in hoping to get tested for COVID. People are waiting hours or even days for tests or treatment. WUSA 9's Scott Broom with us live from outside of a Patient First urgent care in Aspen Hill, Montgomery County, Maryland. So Scott, you've been talking with people there all day. They have got to be just fed up.
Well, they're fed up and they're frustrated. And part of this is because public health authorities throughout our region are telling people stay away from hospital emergency rooms. They're slammed. So what's the alternative? They are urgent care centers like this one. But here at this Patient First in Aspen Hill, where I am right now, they got a sign on the door. They say they can't register any more people for the day. And they're calling the patient volume here overwhelming.
I never thought it was going to get this wild.
Betty DeJesus and a carload of kids outside the Aspen Hill Patient First in search of COVID tests after contact with a positive family member.
So we've been waiting here for 3 hours inside of a car. We already had breakfast at McDonald's in our car.
There's a line out the door here, a sign reading, due to overwhelming patient volume, this center is at capacity and unable to register any additional patients.
Very frustrated.
So many people inside. I am really concerned. I might catch it here.
The parking lot full of people who say they were asked to wait outside in cars for hours.
Just the line so long.
Lila Lozana gave up after hoping for a treatment for a concerning rash. But many people here say they're in search of COVID testing after experiencing symptoms or being exposed.
We should 100% be able to get a COVID test.
Patients in Northern Virginia echoing the frustration in social media posts. They were not taking any more appointments, reported a mom who said her child had a cut that needed stitches. In a written statement, Patient First said, "Our advice to patients is, if you're not in need of urgent medical care, please consider postponing your visit. We're only offering COVID-19 evaluation and testing to patients with one or more COVID-19 symptoms. We ask that those who do not have symptoms contact their local pharmacy or community testing site." But my check of nearby retail pharmacies found no available times for testing appointments.
It just keeps adding up and adding up. When is it going to end?
Maryland hospitalizations due to COVID at another record level today, according to state health department figures. Again, authorities in both Prince George's County and here in Montgomery County are asking people with minor issues to avoid hospital emergency rooms because those hospitals are slammed with people seriously ill. But the alternatives, like urgent care centers, your personal physician, all of them are slammed as well. And if you try to get an appointment at a retail pharmacy for a COVID test, I've had no luck personally trying to do it, and I scoured the websites today trying to get appointments for myself and anybody else, and they're just not available. Reporting live in Aspen Hill, Maryland, Scott Broom, WUSA 9.
Yeah, Scott, and this is concerning on so many levels, concerning because even if you have an issue that isn't connected to COVID, an urgent care issue, you can't get in, you can't get seen. The lines are just full everywhere. All right, Scott Broom in Montgomery County, thank you.